Alrighty. 2 window screens in. Bottom window screen in. Done. Up here, in and done. Done. All nice tight fits. Well, I missed these because they were hiding behind the bushes and I didn't see them, but no big deal. I threw those in at no charge. So we got those 2 down there. Instead of 9, there was really 11, but anyways, Brendan's a nice fella. I had a nice time doing the job, and we got these 2 are done. Completed. Done. And well, whenever you feel like it, I could do the same thing to the upstairs. All right, everything's done and buttoned up. Brendan is happy, and that wraps up this project. Thank you very much.